how to make $5,000 without doing anything in 1 month. I'm going to show you all the strategy, and I hope you will do the same because it's pretty nice. Not a lot of people know these strategies, but trust me, when you start with it, it's the best. So I'm going to show you, but before, please subscribe and like this video. It gives me strength to do more and more video. I love that. I love to show you those tips, and I hope you will have result with that. Let's go and meet me on Fiverr. So what is Fiverr? Fiverr is a micro task website where nobody can propose their job, and if they sell it, they have to do the job. So it's super easy to put freelancer with business owner that wants to find people to do like one single task. But what is good with us is that we're gonna use Fiverr, and if you want, you can make money based on that. Like you can put all your services on it. It's already more than enough, but we're gonna do something better. We're gonna do a twist. The twist, we call it drop service. Why we call that drop service? It seems like it's kind of drop shipping, of course, because it will be the same. You will deliver a service that you don't have and that you are not going to make. And how we gonna do that? Let's do it. So the strategy is really easy. You're gonna go on Upwork.com or no matter what website to find freelance you want. It will do the same job, really. But for me, my preference is for Upwork. So you will go and you will see on Find Work. So for example, we're gonna find someone that wants you to do a logo. So let's put logo, and we're gonna put logo designer job. Sorry. We can check the price. So $5 is not interesting. $80 seems good. 60, it's nice. And we are focusing on the one time. We don't want to work for them. Okay. So now we have like 500, 200. This one seems to be kind of hard, so we're gonna leave on the side. So we have this job that is hand-drawn 8 icons to show different areas. Okay, $80. So what we can do is like we can go on Fiverr, but for this example, I can go on website when you can buy assets, graphic asset. You have a lot of website. You have Invento, you have Creative Fabrica, and you have so much more where you can buy this asset. But the guy wants to have the hand-drawn 8 icons. So what I'm going to do is like I'm going to do hand-drawn, and we're going to see that we have someone that wants, look, I will design a watercolor feminine hand-drawn logo. And you know, I can ask him to do like, hey, can we do like 5 small logos, because it's not really a logo, it's more like icons. So it's not really a logo, and once you have the idea, it will be easy to do. So let's say we earn $80 on this one. That means we can buy up to 20, 25, 30 to be good, and that will give us $50 in profit. So we'll be good. Now is the first one. What else can we do? So $80. Okay, this one, creative, attractive design. So someone is looking for attractive design. They need every week 35 design. So what is good is like it's $60 for 35 design. This one's gonna be a little bit hard because 35 design for $60 every week, unless it's $60 per design, which could be awesome for us. Let's say that. So if it's that, we just go once again to hand-drawn or to feminine design, remember. So this one would be the best, perfect, and 5 per design. So let's say you are making $60 per design, you buy them $5 per design on Fiverr. So that gives you a net profit of 55, which is pretty good and it's pretty nice. So before going further, I'm going to tell you, I know I will have this question in the comment, but Thomas, why do the people don't go on Fiverr directly? Because 2 things. First, maybe they don't know Fiverr. That's a possibility. And second, maybe the people have a bad image of Fiverr and prefer the image, for example, of Upwork because they think it's more qualitative. But at the end of the day, they won't know where it's coming from, you know? So it's like when people buy only on Amazon, and I'm one of those people. Why I'm only buy on Amazon and I don't check the price on other? Because I love the experience that I have on Amazon. And so like I'm super loyal to this company. That's the same. It's the same. So when people are loyal to a company, they don't want to go looking for. So that's it. It's as easy as that. And trust me, that works. I'm doing that since a long time, since more than 5 years all over the world. And it's working perfectly. For example, to get back to that, this one is have a brochure that is already done, but he wants to correct the mistake. It's perfect. Like, you take 60, you can find someone that can correct it for $10, and that's it. Yeah, you take, once again, $50. Be careful, on some posts, you will have this little indication. So this one is only freelancer located in the US that may apply. So if you're not in the US, it won't be good for you, but as you saw, it's not all the time. Like, if you see here, it's worldwide, so we don't care. And honestly, from what I saw, 95% of the job will be worldwide, because people don't care where you're from. They just want a job to be done. Good. So this one wants to do like t-shirts and fashion with their logo. $500, super easy. Look, I'm gonna show you. Trust me, I know fashion with print on demand. Design t-shirt, and you can see that you can find for $5 someone doing it for you. So let's say the guy has a budget of 500 and he wants to do like 10 designs. All right. You will have to spend 50 and maybe less, because you can have a deal with the guy and say, look, I have a lot of job for you, so we can make a price. And instead of 50, I buy everything for 40 or 30. If you say yes, like, it's a big profit for you because you keep the rest. And as I told you, like, this is Upwork, but imagine there is a lot of websites to find freelancers. So if you apply on every one of them, you will make a lot of profit. And at some point, what is good, it's like when you make 5,000 doing nothing, really, you just have to find a client and deliver the product. That's it. Once you have that, your only way to get further is to hire someone to do this job, and you will just have to manage. And that's the goal. So of course you will have to talk to people, you will have to ask them what they want, how do they want, but at the end of the day, you just do the middleman. The guy tell you exactly what he wants, you take the text, you copy, you pass it to Fiverr when you want to buy something, and then you do like the back and forth to check if the result is good enough for the gig on Upwork, you know, and that's it. It's super easy, and that will help you to make a lot of money. Honestly, if I have to start over again, I will start with that, because no investment, it's free, it's super easy, it's almost passive income. What are you waiting for, you know? So I'm not going to show you all the ones that I check, but you see that you have a lot of Upwork jobs that are good for you because they are easy. It's like logo, and I put logo, but you can put like some translation, you can put some writing, some finance, some HR, some sales, marketing, anything you want, you can put it and you can find on Fiverr. So it's pretty good, and honestly, I recommend you to find those two websites, Fiverr and another website to start with. But honestly, I will go to Fiverr and Upwork, and then I will do some other website. I think there is one that is hire.com, freelancer.com, and all over. And with that, you're gonna have like a lot of business. And once again, it's free to start. Anybody can do it. You just have to get an internet connection. And once you have that, you're good to go. I hope you enjoyed this video. It's like kind of a strategy that not a lot of people knows about, but it's pretty good, and I hope you will have some result with it. I hope you're gonna put that in action and you're gonna get some result. Let me know in the comments right below, please. If you want to know more how to build an online business, you have everything in the description. Have a good day and see you soon. Bye.